What I'm going to use is PowerPoint for this. And you notice in my PowerPoint, I have a little Copilot icon. I'm going to choose to create a presentation. And what does it need to be about? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this in that says create a presentation about wrist wearables. Include a title slide, closing slide, and talking points in the notes. Use the following data to assist with this. And now, once Word is done doing its thing, it's still building this whole document for me. Isn't that amazing? Right? Let's say that once it's done, I like it, right? Everything looks good. I verified all the data is right. Now I want to take this and build a presentation based on this information. Something to note, when you use Copilot through PowerPoint, it could take it a good 10, 15, 20 or more minutes to generate a presentation for you. Okay. So just keep that in mind, and it could time out if you're using PowerPoint on the web. So try to keep the ones that you build on the web small and simple. If you do get a Microsoft 365 license, then you can use PowerPoint on your local computer, and that will definitely help. Okay. You'll notice Copilot says, hey, I'm all done here. We did some comparisons and all that fun stuff. All right, I love it. Control A, Control C. I'm now going to go into my presentation and paste that entire document in. I've taken 15-page documents and pasted it into PowerPoint before. Okay. Just to see, just to test what's the limits, and I haven't hit them yet. Okay. So it's doing its thing. It's starting to put everything together. You'll notice a little stop symbol in the lower right-hand corner to stop generating. But I wanted to just chew through all this data. Now, one of the things Copilot will do in PowerPoint is it's going to ask clarifying questions. For example, who should this positioning presentation persuade? I'm going to say it's executive leadership. How detailed should the deck be? I'm going to say 10 to 12 slides. Okay. And then one of the last things that it'll ask me in just several minutes is, what kind of theme do you want? Now, because this takes so long, I did it earlier. And you'll notice wrist wearables, it took a long time to build this 10 to 12, but it built this for me. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to build this myself. Okay. All I have to do is just come in here, take a look, fix some things. Sometimes the structure isn't quite right. Things will spill over, but it does a really good first draft. Okay. So I wanted to show you that because even though you may not have Microsoft 365 subscription available to you, you can still do some really awesome stuff with the free version of Copilot. Okay.